What do you hope readers will take away from your book, We Are Electric? Sort of, how do you want them to change their perspective or on science and humanity? What do you hope that they take away?
Well, I guess for me, um, I think the thing that made me, I think the thing I got from the book is this real sense of profound optimism about sort of life and biology. I mean, it sounds
Mm.
really goofy, but I think before I started looking into this, I thought, and I don't know if if lots of other people, I don't know if you feel like this. Maybe you can tell me. So, do you feel like biology is sort of, you're just like a collection of parts? Do you feel like you have been sort of labeled as a collection of parts yourself?
Yeah, I that's something that I've thought about and struggled with. Yes, one of the biggest questions that always ran through my mind as I sat there in a tissue culture hood looking at a single type of tissue, fibroblasts, for example. You're composed of so many different types of unicell. Like we are multicellular, but we're composed of billions, if not, I mean, I don't know what the number is, trillions of unicellular organisms that work as a collective somehow. And there must be something that animates that, the spark of life, back to Mary Shelley, back to the original conversation that we had. And so, yes, I oftentimes do think that way. But then, you get very philosophical. Where is the consciousness? Where is the mind? Is there a soul? What animates this obviously amazing creature that's far more? I mean, people might disagree and debate which organisms are more amazing, but to me, obviously, humans are number one. And why is that? Where does that come from? Maybe it's bioelectricity. It certainly has a big role to play in that. So yes, I've thought about that a lot,
Yeah.
a
And I mean,
lot.
so
Yeah,
we had this idea that sort of everything is controlled by the brain, and,
right.
we're just a collection of parts that's sort of on this puppet string that's managed by the brain. And this book just turned it all completely upside down for me, because uh, all we are is a collective that thinks it has a boss. And
Right.
I thought that was
Yes.
so cool because of, I mean, it has like implications for how you view yourself, like how much you really feel like you have to be in control of things versus whether you can just like let go and sort of let things sort of fall into place where they may, hopefully. But also,
Yeah.
yeah, it really changed my thinking in that way. But I think most importantly, in a more concrete way, in a sort of slightly less like froofy way.